Hi guys. In this video, I will show you how to fix the PUBG network error login failed on iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1 is to check and fix the internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working fine. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. If it's not loading, then turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it back off. Or you can switch the network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open mobile settings. Scroll down. Tap on General. Then tap iPhone Storage. And now here search PUBG Mobile and then tap on it. Tap on Offload App. Tap Offload App again. And lastly, tap Reinstall App. Solution 3. Use a VPN and try to log in again. Open the App Store. Search for a VPN and install any VPN that you like the most. Then set it up and connect it to a different server. Now open your PUBG app. Try to log into your account again. Hopefully all of these processes will fix your problem and you will be able to log in to PUBG Mobile. As a gamer, it can be really hard to meet other people who share your interest. Heck, it's hard to find people who don't judge you for it. But did you know that there's a dating app specifically designed for gamers? Everyone on the app has the same hobby as you, making it much easier to form meaningful connections. If this sounds interesting, click the link in the description and try it out. You might end up finding your real-life player too.